Unlike other saturated fats which are bad for your health, coconut oil is a wonder and you need it in your life. Its many health wonders is the reason why using coconut oil for weight loss will produce some amazing results. Just try it out for a month and you will see. What is so great about coconut oil? While many people concerned with weight loss may think that they need to avoid all fats, this particular oil should not be one of the fats you avoid like the plague. There are many unhealthy fats, but there are also many healthy fats that the body needs for general health and well-being, which can also help with weight loss. There are bad fats that you must avoid, such as trans fats, eliminate from your diet, and many saturated fats, reduce or eliminate. The good or healthy fats that you need more of in your life are also known as essential fatty acids (EFAs) and are commonly found in unsaturated fats such as monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats, e.g. olive oil, olives, flaxseed oil, flax seeds, various nuts and seeds, etc. These good or healthy fats, as mentioned earlier, are essential for the body and help it to function properly, and can also help boost your immune system, cardiovascular activity, help manage diabetes naturally, rheumatoid arthritis, eczema, psoriasis, cancer prevention, and so on and so forth. If you are trying to eliminate all fats from your body because you think this will help you lose weight, you will be doing your body a great disservice. Instead of saying all fats are evil and should be banished, you need to be asking yourself what fats you need to be eating instead. But coconut oil is a saturated fat. This is true. Saturated fats are those that are solid at room temperature unless you reside in very hot climates, in which case it will be so hot that the oil will remain in liquid form. If in solid form, this oil will quickly melt once heat is applied, including applying body heat when it is rubbed between the palms or applied to skin. While saturated fats is very unhealthy, it is important to remember that not all saturated fats are created equal, and coconut oil, while being a saturated fat, is one of the good or healthy fats, which is why you need it in your diet. The reason it is considered healthy is because coconut oil is a medium-chain fatty acid and not a long-chain fatty acid, which are the unhealthy saturated fats commonly found in fatty meats, butter, ghee, cheese, cream, and so on and so forth. What this means is that the medium-chain fatty acids in this particular oil can be metabolized much faster than long-chain fatty acids. In addition, medium-chain fatty acids are also easily absorbed into the small intestines with other nutrients, which prevents them from being deposited into the belly as fat, which is why coconut oil for weight loss is effective. Using coconut oil for weight loss works because of the amazing properties of this oil, which include the following. 1. Does not add fat. Unlike many other fats and foods that contain fat, coconut oil is not stored in the body as fat. When we eat these other fats or foods that contain fat, these fats are deposited into the bloodstream and sent directly to our fat cells. The medium-chain fatty acids found in this oil are not deposited into the bloodstream but are sent directly to the liver to be used for energy, like the carbohydrates and simple sugars in our diets. When you eat coconut oil, it is used immediately by the body for energy that is required by the cells in the body for day-to-day activities. This is also the reason why this particular oil is recommended for diabetics, because unlike carbohydrates and sugars that raise blood sugar levels, coconut oil does not raise blood glucose levels, and it can also help to control cravings for sugar. Also note that excess amounts of carbs and sugars in the bloodstream are stored as fat reserves in the body. The way the body uses this oil is why you should replace any other oils that you currently use in your life with this oil. This will not only be healthier but will help you lose weight, as fat stores are decreased despite still consuming the healthy fat that the body needs. 2. Metabolism. When we eat food, our metabolic rate increases in order to digest this food. This is the normal rate that everyone has, but what is normal varies from one person to another, which is why your friend can eat anything including unhealthy fats and not gain a pound, whereas all you have to do is look at food and you gain a pound or so. She or he has a faster metabolic rate than you do, which helps him or her burn more calories per day than you. It's unfair, but such is life. One of the best common methods used to increase metabolic rate is with exercise and building lean muscle and eating protein to build this lean muscle, so these are methods you can try so that your body starts to burn more calories with an increased rate of metabolism. Another way of losing weight without exercise by increasing your metabolic rate is to add this particular oil to your diet. The medium-chain fatty acids contained in coconut oil are able to boost your metabolism, which will cause you to burn more calories, which leads to weight loss. How amazing is that? The medium-chain fatty acid are quickly absorbed and burned by the body, which helps them to be used as energy for your metabolism, which leads to an increase in your rate of metabolism. 3. Increased energy. Because this oil is burned immediately, it leads to a boost in energy, and besides boosting your metabolism, it can help increase your performance levels, especially if you are an athlete or if you add exercise to your weight loss regimen, which will help you produce better results. These reasons are why using coconut oil for weight loss is so amazing and so effective, so go out to your nearest store and stock up on coconut oil if you haven't done so already. How to use coconut oil for weight loss. There are many ways on how to use coconut oil for weight loss. The simplest method is to simply use coconut oil in place of many of the other oils that you use daily in your cooking. You can also use it for baking in place of butter. If you don't ordinarily use oil in cooking or baking, simply add 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil daily to salads, oatmeal, smoothies, green juices, etc. It is best to spread out these 3 or 4 tablespoons of coconut oil throughout the day and not just consume them in one sitting. When using coconut oil for weight loss or other health purposes, it is best to use organic, cold-pressed and unrefined coconut oil, which contains the most of the healthy properties found in this oil, in order to make the most impact on your weight loss as well as your general health and well-being. If you are interested in using coconut oil for weight loss, do not wait any longer. Get yourself some coconut oil and get it today. You will not be sorry. Especially if you are interested in ways of losing weight without exercising, although adding coconut oil to a healthy diet and exercise regimen will produce even better results. The best and most effective method for weight loss does depend on the individual, but follow these time-tested principles and you will see results. Click the links below to discover some effective resources to help you.